In this video, we will learn about how to compare the fractions when denominators are different. 5 over 6, 3 over 4. So it is become difficult when denominators are different. This is 6, this is 4. So how to compare? For this, we have to find the common denominator. When you find the common denominator, then it will become very simple for you to compare the fraction. For this, you have to multiply and divide this fraction with this 4. So 4 over 4. Now 4 5s are 20 over 24. 6 4 are 24. Now multiply this fraction with this 6. Okay, 6 over 6. Now it is 18 over 24. This is 18 over 24. Now you can see that we have 20 over 24 and 18 over 24. Now this is 20, this 20 is greater than from this 18. So you can say that 5 over 6 is greater than 3 over 4. In this way you can easily find how to compare the fraction. Now look at the other question. This is another question, 3 over 4, 4 over 5. So first of all, we have to find the common denominator. For this, multiply and divide this fraction with this 5. So 5 over 5, it will become 5 3s are 15 over 20, and this will multiply with this 4. 4 multiply and 4 divide. So this is 4 4s are 16 over 20. So you can see that we found the common denominator. This is 20 and this is 20. This is a common denominator. Now you can determine which is greater, which is lesser. So 16 is greater than from 15. So this is a sign. So you can say that 3 over 4 and 4 over 5, which is greater. This is 16 from this. This is the value. So in this way you can easily find which fraction is greater or which fraction is less. So look at another example. This is another example, 8 over 9, 4 over 7. So we need to find the common denominator. For this common denominator, multiply this 7 with this fraction, 7 over 7. So this is 8 7s are 56 over 9 7s are 63. So for this, multiply and divide this fraction with this 9. 9 divided by 9. So it 9 4s are 36 over 9 7s are 63. So you can see that denominators are same. Now look at the numerator. This is 36, this is 56, so this is greater. So you can say that 8 over 9 is greater than 4 over 7. So this is the way how you can compare the fractions, two fractions. First of all, find the common denominator, then you can easily compare. I hope so you got the idea. If you have any confusion, you can comment under the video. Please like this video and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching this video.